Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you how to design a passport size photo. There are many things in this current economy that you don't need to be spending money left and right, okay? And designing a passport size photo is something that everyone needs. There are times you need it for your passport, there are times you need it for your ID card, there are times you need it for documents here and there. So you can use your phone and design a very beautiful passport size photo. And when you go and print it anywhere, you can just visit maybe a printing shop and just ask them to print for you after you have designed. It saves you a lot of money. Guys, remember the economy is getting more tidy, eh? Yes, and that is why you need to learn some of these skills. Your phone is not called a smartphone for nothing. These are some of the reasons why your phone is called a smartphone. Let's jump in. But before we jump in, if you are watching this and you are parents, please make sure that you follow us on another YouTube channel where it's called New Semo Christian Cartoons. So we use that to spread the message of God through cartoons. We are going to be doing a whole lot. We are also going to be talking about drugs, okay? Talking about some of the evil of drugs, how drugs is not good, how young people need to stay away from drugs. So this is how we are going to come in through that cartoon. So we are targeting children from 5 years and above. So that will just be designed for children. Okay,
yes guys, so in order to do your passport size photograph, what you have to do is take your phone like this, go to Play Store and search this app Vivid ID. Okay, Vivid ID, this particular app. When you search it, you download this app on your phone. You see, this is the app. It's so powerful, guys. So here you have paid version, that is normal for every app. So they have given you their plans. You have start free trial, show all plans. You know, let me come by showing you. So here you can pay, I think, $0.99 per week. $9.99, I think is very cheap compared to the use of the app. Okay, but we are not going to get into that. You just go here, click that off, and then while you are here, you click this small cross that you have. I click this cross. It will ask you whether you want to take a photo or whether you want to bring photo from your phone or whether you want to use camera. So let's use camera, guys. So it says allow this time. I just wanted to allow it this time. So that's my face there, guys. You see? So I'm going to fit my face in that space, and then I click snap. You see, detecting my face. So now it tells me, do I want to try another photo or do I want to use the current photo anyway? So I'll click this other option that says want to use this photo. You see, so that's my photo, guys. So it takes time and then it censors the photo. Okay, I'm going to come here now. I can retake the photo if I don't like what I'm seeing. I can use this one. So I'm going to come here and I click use. I've just clicked on that use. The moment I click on use, you see it already brings me all this my photo. You see, there are many here. You see, and then this is what makes it so amazing. So it automatically gives me sizes of photo from different countries. Okay, so I have Australia. I have Australia again. I have Armenia, Australia, Armenia. So these are the free options that are there. I have Afghanistan, I have India, United States, Canada, India. So if you are in these different countries, it goes and pick their sizes, okay, because the app works with those sizes of pictures. So let's say I want to assume that I am in the United States. I'll click United States now here, and it gives me this particular size. Now let's say I want maybe a particular kind of background. Okay, I'll just go ahead here and then I click blue background. You see, I can go ahead and I click red background. Those of you who are around Cameroon, you might notice that many times they will likely need different backgrounds in your passport size photo. And then here I might click this. You see, I can click this. You see, so this is what, when you go to these guys that have these different shop and cameras, this is what they do, guys. They take your picture, put it in a software, and they manipulate it like this. So now your phone can do this. Okay, while I'm here, there's another thing I can do. If you look down here, you have colors. So we are at the position of color, so we can go back to clothing. So I can click here and I decide to choose different kind of clothes. So I want to wear suit. Those of you who like to wear suits, if you want suits to appear on your passport size photo, you see, that is suit there. If I want just a casual wear, a simple wear, I think all the dresses here are amazing. So I want this particular kind of suit. So you can change the way you dress add a lot of things in there. Now there's another thing that I'll be showing you as I move ahead with this video. You see, so now the downside is that the first suit I chose, it did not, okay, now it has removed that first suit and put this one on. So you decide for yourself which one is good. So now I'll go to this small option here and I'll click. Now once I click this option here, I can still choose different sizes. You see, I can decide to make it this size. You see, it keeps changing. If they say they need maybe 4 or 3, you can come here and then choose maybe the first one, it says 2, the second one says 6, the third one, okay, this one, you see it keeps increasing, guys. It keeps increasing. And this is something you must note. Now that I'm here, it says try AI outfits. This is a video for another day, but there's something I want you to see. If you look under here, you have men, you have women, you have children. Okay, so if you are a girl, you come and choose this women option here. Okay, and perhaps you will start seeing women dresses here. You see, these are women dresses. These are all women dresses. Okay, now I cannot put a woman dress on because I'm a man, right? And then also here, if you have a child that you want to snap, you can come here and then you will see some dresses that are sample dresses for children. Okay, and if you want them, so I can choose a child here, a male child, and then I choose this one. You see that although I have already come up with a different interface where I have 6 pictures, it can still go and change the look of the dresses that I'm putting on. You see, so that's me there, guys. That's me there. So if I click on, if I come here again and then I click, go up here now and I click save. Okay, you must remember that we chose United States and I click save. Once I click save, it says download. Now if I download, there's going to be ads that are going to be popping up. Okay, ads are advertisement that they have created online. People have created, millions of people are creating ads. So they are telling you that if you want to have this particular app and you don't need ads to be coming and disturbing you, you can buy or go to pro. This pro means paid version. Okay, so we are not paying, so we are using the free version. So if I come here and I click to that small download, this small item here that says download,
What to sell in 2025.
so now if you look at now, there's a lot of ads. You see, those are ads coming on, so you have to wait now for this ad to finish playing. When it finish playing, and then you can go ahead, you will be downloaded in your phone. So now resume video, close video. So if I close this video, okay, I can see close the video. Wow, okay, it still gives me a good result. Leave this view. You see, so these are my pictures here, guys. These are my pictures here. Okay, so I'll click that small tick up there and I have that picture. Okay, so I can come here anytime. Let's go into my pictures and see what we have there. I think I should have that saved somewhere. So I don't have that saved yet, so we'll see. I think I should have that saved. I don't have that saved yet, so we can still go to that same app and then you see, so this is the video. I can still come here and change, right, make it for save it, and anytime I want to save it, you see that ad coming. So you have to wait for that ad to play and finish before you can remove now and then send to someone to print it. Okay, that's how simple it is to do your simple passport size photo. Stay blessed and ciao ciao.